What's up, Jasmy Moon boys and girls? Coming out with a daily update on Jasmy, the road to 5 cents. We called it. We broke above 3 cents. Pretty much smooth sailing so far. I mean, we still have a whole cent to go. So hopefully we are not going to run into any turbulence here, but we're calling 5 cents for the next major resistance area. We've been calling it for a while now. Now, hopefully it hits. We're up 9.4% at 4 cents here, guys. So we officially are above that 3 cents resistance area and maintain above it. We're almost at a $2 billion market cap right here. Crazy, because this is the highest the market cap has ever been. We're almost doubling our prior high market cap from 2021. The 2021 market cap, when we were up here at about 1 billion, that's when the price was $4.79. We're currently almost double that right now, and we're only at 4 cents. And I know people are going to bash on this. I don't want people to, say, hey, but it's going to be very hard to reobtain these prices, guys, of 479 due to how many coins are in circulation. Yes, I know they're locking some up. Yes, I know there's a bunch of stuff in the works, but until that happens, it's going to take a lot of buying power to regain those all-time high prices. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Jasmy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into Jasmy. Same chart that we've had drawn for months. If you've been following the Jasmy TAs. Now, the day chart, this is a little concerning. So this is a little concerning, but I still think 5 cents is at play. The day chart, the MACD is losing its bullish momentum. We had a lighter green candle today. I'm not too concerned about that. The RSI is flashing red, but if you look at Jasmy, we do like going higher in the red. And like we mentioned on prior videos, we kind of put in a high here, a low here, higher high, higher low. I think we're going to be putting in a higher high right here on the RSI, which in turn would bring that 5 to 5.5 cents top before we see some sort of retracement on Jasmy. The only other thing is we did get a sell signal here on the WTX. Not too concerned though, because we can get multiple sell signals in a row. It's just showing that we are near a top right here on this run up before we see some sort of correction. And I still think that 5 cents is that red box we have drawn right there is where we're going to start running into resistance. About 4.8 to 5 cents is where I think we'll start touching, even if it's a wick or a hard candle. So I still think we have some momentum on Jasmy, but we're starting to run a little low on fuel, maybe another 23% until we run into some sort of resistance or a heavy correction. Short term will probably give us a little bit more details. The short term, as you can see here, multiple sell signals on the WTX, the RSI putting in lower highs and lower lows, and then the MACD is about ready to flip bearish. So I still think that we're going to be touching 5 cents, but we are getting pretty close to some sort of retracement, guys. And it's perfectly normal. I know we're all super excited. We want Jasmy to go to the moon, but a retracement is perfectly normal. It's just people taking profits. If you're perfectly calm about it, go touch some grass and ignore it. Then you won't really feel much of it. And the retracement could possibly be back down to that support area before you rally up higher from that point on. I'm just saying in the meantime, I do think 5 cents is on the table, then maybe a correction like that. And then the next big push up is the one that goes to infinity and beyond. So congratulations, Jasmy holders, especially during this consolidation phase. I feel like we've had that drawn for months. It's just indicators right now are a little hot. Not saying we can't blow past it, not saying we can't run with being overbought. It's just the indicators are a little exhausted. That's always something to be a little bit cautious of. Now, what we want to look at here in the short term, let's just remove these fibs real quick. On the short term, if we do see a slight retracement, we do have that 786 sitting right on top of that prior 3 cents line. So if we did see that heavy retracement, like we talked about, the indicator starting to roll over a little bit, I think the lowest to go is 3 cents ish before we see a rally. I don't believe Jasmine is going to be breaking below 3 cents. Probably for the rest of the bull run. If you catch a wick below that, so be it. But I think right around 3 cents is where we'll see that retracement, and then we'll see the next big push up for Jasmy. So congratulations, guys. You guys broke out. I still think 5 cents is on the table before we see correction. Then after the next correction is when Jasmy starts running. I think realistically about a 35-cent Jasmy top for the bull run, and for the hopium, I would say $1 to $1.04. I know you guys always blow up the comments saying, hey, you're wrong. They're doing this, they're doing that, they're doing the other thing. I'm just basing it off of technical analysis. They can say whatever they want, but until it happens, we're just going to look at the charts. We're going to look at the circulating supply. We're going to look at the market cap, do common sense math, and just figure out what is the possible top for this right now. And I think in the bull run, 35 to $1. 35 is more realistic, and then you have your hopium to $1. If you get over $1, I'm more than happy to be wrong. It's just realistically, I think $1 would be a little little bit of a hopium top, but like I said, I'll eat crow if I'm wrong, but I would be looking for a 35 cents top, 35 to 45 cents top during the bull run. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.